I have a surprise for you. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's a T-Rex. Okay, you can pause it and guess what toy it is. And try guessing what toy this is. Okay, did you solve it yet? If you didn't, you could just pause it. Okay, so this one is the Papa Walking T-Rex. But our review is the Animal Planet T-Rex. This thing is in a whole bunch of TV shows. It seems very accurate. Except for the fact that it is from the 1920s. Yes. It is from the 1920s. It's dragging its tail, which T-Rex never did. See, look at that. It just drags its tail. It drags its tail like a lizard. Well, they do say that dinosaurs are lizards, but then that's counting birds as lizards. They should probably call the T-Rex Tyrant Reptile King. By the way, T-Rex is not the biggest dinosaur to ever exist. Okay, this toy does seem a little accurate. It really reminds me of the Bull Rex in Jurassic Park. In Jurassic Park 2, the Lost World. It has the logo here. I don't know if you could really see it. And also the logo is around in here, around the belly. I got this at Toys R Us. I think I already said that. Wait. I'm sorry you can't really see too much. Okay. So it is made out of rubber, but it's not too rubbery. Not too sure. I got it near the Schleich aisle. Okay, let's see how tall it is. It is 11 inches tall, and let's see how long it is. 20 inches long. So you could get the Papa Walking T-Rex. You could, and it's just a little bit bigger. It has bird-like feet, which T-Rex did have. This has bird-like feet too. But this is a quick video. It's only 3 minutes long, and I'll give this about a 9 out of 10. It's not the best, but bye. It's been 4 minutes now. Bye.